this is a good job. This is a good career to be in, pays well, job security. You can do this. I did it. You can do it. You can make a good living at it. And this is no joke. It's a pretty good profession. Our ACE program is an automotive career exploration program. It's in the high school level career techs in the colleges, and you'll get to do some of your web-based training and online curriculum training through Ford. And then when you go to work at the Ford dealership, it's an accelerated career path to where you can go get your training and your in-person classroom setting with Ford dealerships. And that is a quick way to get started. It's about, I don't know, about half maybe of all of the online web training that you can get, and you do that through high school career techs and some colleges, and that gives you a springboard to get started at the dealership, and you can get in there and start making some good money at the dealership.
23, single mama, a child of 2, and I mean, I just grew up with cars and decided that mainly anything and everything I've tried just wasn't hitting it, and I enjoy coming to work now, like, compared to before, and so the best way to do that was going to school and getting the certifications that I needed and everything. So.
One of the best decisions I've ever made in my life is to become a Ford asset graduate and a Ford senior master technician. And this program, I'm telling you, it changed my life. And this is the elite program of Ford Motor Company and Training. And I guarantee you, you can go through this program and you can become one of the best technicians in the automotive field. So what kind of job did you have before you came to work at the dealership?
I was helping my dad's friend build pipe fence and barbed wire fence.
So that was physical labor?
Yeah.
Did it pay very well?
It was $10 an hour.
Do you think that you would be making as good of money now building fence if you'd have just kept building fence as you are making at the dealership now?
No.
So it was a pretty good trade-off to go to college for 2 years, and now 2 years later you're making quite a bit more.
Yes.
Yeah.
It was well worth it.
Well worth it, okay. What advice would you give to somebody that's wanting to get in this industry?
It's a lot of hard work, but once you start getting through it, it ends up being well worth it.
What advice would you give to young people if they wanted to get into this field?
Make sure you want to do it. I mean, you can't just go in half-hearted, you know. Got to make sure you want to do this, and if you really have that desire, I mean, the asset program is going to teach you and get you going in the right direction. The school is going to teach you the right way to diagnose. The hands-on part is where you're really going to learn the most, but it's kind of a two-part thing. You know, I don't think you can do one without the other. You know, you just got to do it.
This one guy was polling everybody that he knew that wasn't technicians. Says, where do you take your vehicle to get worked on? I said, well, I take it over here to my buddy that lives down the street. And I said, well, what if he can't fix it? Well, I take it down to Joe's garage down there on the corner. I said, well, what do you do when he can't fix it? Well, we take it to the dealership. And I said, well, why do you do that? They said, because they're the experts. To be a senior master tech, you're like the expert of the experts.
You want to do good quality work, and like I said, when I got the senior master title, it helps your confidence. It makes you feel like you know what you're doing. Take the vehicles at dealerships. I mean, we're trained for this. We want to fix your vehicle. We want to do a good job. We want to have a good name. Everyone does. And people don't take this stuff to dealerships because they think it's too expensive or this or that. But we're working. I mean, we're going to fix it. We're going to fix your stuff. That's just the bottom line. We want to fix your vehicle, fix it properly, and do a good job and help the vehicle last 15 years, 20 years, whatever you want to do with it.
I mean, this is a desirable position to be in, a desirable job, and it's got to be.
Yes, sir, it is. And I promise you, dealerships want technicians. I haven't really seen very many dealerships that don't want more technicians. The more guys you got working on vehicles, more vehicles coming in and out. Like I said, the more money you make, more money they make. Everyone's happy, and they really should do. I mean, this is a great career. Like I said, you find a dealership that you mesh with, and you can do whatever you want. The dealership wants you to make money because they make money. That's how this works. So, I mean, we just need to I hope people get aware of this. I mean, this is a great career. I mean, you make good living. I mean, I'm supporting family of 5, including me, on one income, and I'm able to do that, I mean, with this career. So
this is a good job. This is a good career to be in. Pays well. You can do this. I did it. You can do it. You can make a good living at it. And this is no joke. It's a pretty good profession.
You or someone you know would like more information about employment at an Oklahoma Ford dealer, please contact me at 918-928-7433 or email me at fordokptc@gmail.com. For other videos like this, check out our YouTube channel, Oklahoma Ford Dealers Technician Connection. Subscribe and click the bell to be notified of new videos. Thank you. Have a great day.